Okay, guys. So for this one, red, red, red panel. So we need to close the gap. Purple, straighten up this one, this panels, and then drag the wall to its correct location. Yes, and add a corner. Okay, so let's try to fix this one first using AutoFix. Select, then press 4 to group. Use F4. So yeah, it fixed most of the errors, but this one we need to fix this manually. Okay, so again, if for some reason you cannot fix this purple panels, just use the AutoFix function. Just select the panel like so, and then press Shift Y. Okay, so if for some reason we cannot fix this using Shift Y, we can try to adjust this manually, and then Shift Y again. So sometimes Shift Y won't work, especially if the error is too big. Again, let's try to use Shift Y. So okay, okay, sorry. Okay, so we adjust this using manual adjustment. So same with this one. Let's try. Okay, so yeah, I've adjusted this one using manual adjustment and this one using Shift Y. And basically, that's it. All we need to do is to just add missing corner. So, okay. And then press I. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay. And basically that is it. So we do not need to add another corner right here. Yeah, so basically this is it and we are done.